Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Twitter or your X account private. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So this process is actually quite simple. So you first just need to tap into your Twitter app in your device, and after doing so, just make sure that you're currently logged in into your account. After that, tap into your profile on the upper left corner of your screen and then scroll down until you see settings and support, and under settings and support, tap into settings and privacy, and then after that, on this part right here, you'll be able to see the privacy and safety. And on the first part, it says audience and tagging, so tap onto that, and now you'll be able to see this where you can toggle on protect your posts, which will allow you to make your account private here on your Twitter or the X app. So just simply toggle that on and then your account should be in private. Now you've done that. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.